In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos to Canva. This process is straightforward and can add a whole new level of personalization to your designs or projects. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just getting started, knowing how to quickly and efficiently move your favorite photos into Canva is a skill that will save you time and enhance your creativity. First, let's start by opening your File Explorer. For those unfamiliar, this is the tool on your computer that lets you access all your files and folders. Depending on your system, it might be called Finder on a Mac or File Explorer on Windows. Navigate to this tool to locate the image or images you want to upload. It can help to have a dedicated folder for your frequently used photos, as this will make future uploads much faster and easier. Once you've found the photo you want, it's time to bring it into Canva. Open Canva in your web browser and log into your account, or create one if you're new. Canva's interface is very user-friendly, so the next steps are simple. With your chosen photo ready in your File Explorer, all you need to do is drag and drop it into Canva's workspace or your current project. Click on the photo, hold down the mouse button, and drag it over to Canva. You should see it appear on your canvas, and once you release the button, your photo is now part of your design. This drag and drop method is incredibly convenient and allows you to quickly incorporate new images into your projects. Once your photo is uploaded, take advantage of Canva's built-in tools to resize, crop, or apply filters. You can adjust your photo to fit perfectly with your design vision, experiment with different effects, and even layer multiple images for a professional look. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully transferred a photo to Canva. With a little practice, this process will become second nature. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more confident in managing and using your image resources